Pretty girly. Ooh, moist. It'll fall out. Have it on camera anyway. Lola, what are you doing?
Down.
What?
Down.
I don't want none of your water. Thanks, though.
No. No.
Oh, why? It's a good cry, my little actress. Oh, yeah, I know. Why are you so sad? Are you happy now? Give Mommy a big smile. Show me all your pretty teeth. Some pretty girl you are. I follow you everywhere you go. You're so pretty. Gorgeous. Oh, bless you. Bless you, bless you. What are you doing? Well, this is March 4th, I think. Daisy's almost 5 months, and Lola's 2 years and 2 months. Yeah. What's she doing, Daisy? What's she saying over there? Making me she's crying. She's funny. She's business. Come on in, Pop. Give Mommy a kiss. I see you, pretty girl.